Okay. Ah, that's where that come from? Yeah. Okay, so we need the elbow. Okay. Oh, this go. I'll bring that size, yeah. Yes, guys. Eh? Yes, babe, say flood out the neighbor basement. Oh yeah, I see. Probably are they? Oh yeah. Okay.
Like this.
Yeah. I have that small part. I think I left that part. Yes, guys, welcome back to another video. As you guys can see, Nats has flooded out our neighbor's basement. We are officially in damage control mode. We have officially flooded out our neighbor's basement. So in our house, or in most houses here in northern Alberta, you have what is called a sump pump. Now the sump pump is a catchment located in the basement of most houses. So when the snow melts, it goes into this catchment, and then you have a pump that pump it outside, right? Now pump outside and then water just gone in the drain or something. What happened was our escape line got frozen over the weekend when it was really cold. So in order to defrost it, the person who came actually cut off the line, so the water now when it's escaping, it go right into the neighbor basement. Yeah. Because he wasn't predicting it for it to be warming up. Yeah. So I'm surprised that it even started melting so fast because it was pretty cold today still. Yeah. Get some fittings, some pipe fittings and stuff like that, so we can put on back a hose and lead the water away from our neighbor's basement. All right, guys, come along, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. As you can see, I'm still in work clothes, which means I'm coming from work. Not even settled down yet, and have to deal with home ownership issues. Man, come on, guys.
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
As a homeowner, this is your most resources store, the Home Depot. They go to where I are in.
Before the sun goes down, I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me
Yeah.
feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling.
We got
Yeah, I'm
faucets.
falling in love.
Oh. flooring. I figure we are in the right aisle. Now we just need to find what we're looking for.
Elbows. T. Text T. Elbows.
See?
What kind of inch? But I think it's gonna be a bigger inch, right? No.
$1.64.
Sorry.
Straight within my price range.
Yes? It's a 2 inch.
2 inch. Share some 1.5.
Nice.
Oh, that's a 4-way. Hmm?
Elbow. Where is the elbow?
It does really look matter, and you just need something to connect both ways. I'll just put that purple one a little bit bigger still. What size? Some more is over here. What size is this one? 2 inch. So just one more thing, and that's the hacksaw blade to cut this guy.
Do you need the whole hacksaw or just the blade?
That one, just the blade.
No, I get.
A little one should be fine. Home ownership.
This one's for little one, or this one, just the handsaw basically.
I think that one should be fine.
This one? The small one?
Yeah, that should be fine. Thank you so much for the help. I don't think we'll find any of these without it.
There you go.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank
Have a
you.
good night. Okay. So I think let's just make sure we got everything. So we got the hose. We got the piece of pipe. All we need is just a small piece. We got the elbow. We got the coupling. Coupling. Tangent. I think we're good. Okay. Time to pay our bill and then go home and be a handyman. Nope, it's all good. This is just our reference autograph. Yes, please. Just the debit. Take it easy. And when you turn back on me and walked away. So guys, if you live in Grand Prairie, Alberta, Canada, there's one thing that Grand Prairie is known for. Drop it down in the comment section if you know what it is, before we tell you what it is. It is this long, excruciating train. We've been here now for probably 5 to 10 minutes. and no end in sight, guys. This is what Grand Prairie is known for. If you know, you know.
Of them belly.
Oh, there's the end of the train.
You might just stop in the middle and just turn back, so stop in
A reverse. So another van that come in, can take that little inch of space there, so. Jaja.
So you're not supposed to glue it here?
This one is.
I don't know, I'm just asking, I'm not sure.
It is coming off. Yeah, Margarita, just like this.
and you don't have any car. Close back your garage.
Oh.
Garage should close back. I eat that I'll leak out of the house.
Makeshift thing. Pass the extra.
Never stay. So I'll go over this house here.
Makeshift. What we get? How long that was? Tomorrow. Yes, guys. So this is a finished product. All sort out, clamp up, tange it up, everything fastened. So we need a longer piece of hose because we're supposed to lead it all the way up to the front. But for now, that's better than what we had. That's our neighbor was. Not bad. It is what it is, guys.